Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. The Fold mobile app, which allowed discounted Starbucks purchases for Bitcoin, is now back with Lightning Network support. Fold now allows for almost feeless purchases at Amazon, Starbucks, Uber, Home Depot, Target, and more. Bitcoin got its first mention by a sitting U.S. president. Trump tweeted that he is, quote, not a fan of Bitcoin, claiming that it's volatile, unbacked, and can enable crime. He then bashed Facebook's forthcoming Libra-coin, saying the company will have to seek a banking charter and comply with banking regulations to operate. Trump ended his tweet storm by praising the U.S. dollar. American football team, the Miami Dolphins, will accept cryptocurrency payments. The partnership with the Litecoin Foundation will kick off at the start of the 2019 NFL season, and fans will be able to pay with Litecoin and Bitcoin when buying tickets for the team's home games. During his testimony before the U.S. Senate, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said that, quote, almost no one is using Bitcoin for payments, but it's used as an alternative to gold and that it's a store of value. U.S. lawmakers expressed concern during the session that BTC might replace the U.S. dollar as the world reserve currency. And finally, Japan's Bitpoint crypto exchange halted operations after reporting a hack. $32 million was stolen, of which about 2/3 belonged to clients. The exchange's parent company lost nearly 20% from its share price following the news. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.